Cleburne Regional Airport.
Automated weather observation 213, Niner Zulu. Wind 160 at 10 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 25 Celsius. Dew point 6 Celsius. Altimeter 3010. Inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude 210.
Clear traffic, Winter 192 Yankee, 7 miles to the southwest, inbound through 2,700, with right downwind 15, full stop, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, taking the active 15, departing 15 to the southeast, Cleburne. Check final. Line up on center line, runway heading, flight timer, altitude reporting, advance the throttle. Looking for 64 miles an hour on the airspeed. Full throttle, 64. Hot rudder.
Cleburne traffic, Quebec. Twin Quebec to 192 Yankee, 45, right downwind, 15, full stop, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, on the go off 152 south. We've got the arriving traffic in sight, no factor, Cleburne.
Cleburne traffic, Quebec to 192 Yankee, right base, 15, full stop, Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Twin Quebec to 192 Yankee, turning final 15, full stop, Cleburne.
KINJ 75, Lima Whiskey. The KINJ 75, Lima Whiskey, back about to take off for runway 16 for skydive activities over Hillsboro, 10,000 feet below in the next 10 minutes.
Hillsboro traffic, Skyhawk 1802 Victor, we're 7 to the northwest, landing 16. We'll look for the departing traffic. Hillsboro.
Roger. Hillsboro traffic, we're going to be climbing to the west up to 10,000 feet and probably have jumpers away within the next 10 minutes.
Hillsboro traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, we're going to come in underneath that and get some fuel. Don't think we'll be in your way, but we'll keep our eyes out. 02 Victor.
Roger. Traffic column, what was your position?
8 north, landing 16. Hillsboro.
Roger that. I think we'll be fine.
Hillsboro traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, 5 north, landing Hillsboro.
Hillsboro traffic, Cherokee 44530 is taxiing to the active runway 16 Hillsboro.
Hillsboro traffic, we're 2 miles north, extended final for 16 Hillsboro.
And Hillsboro traffic, Cherokee 44530, we'll hold short runway 16, we have you inside, we'll go ahead and let you land.
Roger that. 02 Victor on final, 16 full stop, Hillsboro.
2 minutes, jumpers over Hillsboro, 2 minutes.
In check.
Automated weather observation 2158 Zulu. Weather. Wind 140 at Niner.
Hillsboro traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, clear of the active Hillsboro.
Hillsboro traffic, Cherokee 44530, taking the active runway 16, we'll be making left-hand traffic for a northwest departure, Hillsboro.
0 at Niner. Visibility 10. Clear below 12,000. Temperature 25 Celsius. Dew point 5. Altimeter 3010. Remark. Density altitude 1,800.
Cleburne traffic, Papa Cherokee 154 Foxtrot is runway 15, departing to the north, Cleburne traffic.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. We're 12 south, landing Cleburne.
Cleburne Regional Airport. Automated weather observation 2233 Zulu. Wind 160 at 11 knots. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 24 Celsius. Dew point 6 Celsius. Altimeter 3010. Inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude.
We're making a right crosswind departure to the northwest.
Aero traffic, Skyhawk 79249er, 2-mile final, runway 17. We'll be doing a touch and go departure right down.
Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor. Entering on the 45 to the right downwind for 15 full stop, Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right downwind for 15 full stop, Cleburne. Cleburne traffic, Skyhawk 02 Victor, right base, 15 full stop, Cleburne.
Miles east, the landing setting. Stephenville traffic, 9 Romeo Victor, 5 miles northeast. We'll be entering a left downwind for 14 for touch and goes with Stephenville.
Cleburne traffic, final 15 full stop, Cleburne. He looks good.
All traffic patterns are
Cleburne traffic, Cherokee 2323 Tango, 10 miles to the north. Will be inbound on the GPS 15 Cleburne.
Made the runway, full power.
Stephenville traffic, experimental 9 Romeo Victor,
On the ground.
entering left downwind for 14, touch and goes
Flaps
Stephenville.
up.
Stephenville traffic, Warrior 8292 Delta, 8 miles to the east, coming in for left downwind.